plant-based milk. Do you like oat milk? Want to learn how to make your own? By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your own oat milk at home using this quick technique. For real-life advice and tutorials on how to live a plant-based lifestyle. This channel has helped thousands of viewers learn how to prepare plant-based meals and inspire people to live a cleaner, healthier life. And now it's your turn. Oat milk tastes delicious and it's so easy to make. You can put it on cereal or drink it by itself. Start by adding 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats to a high-speed blender. Add 4 cups of very cold water. I've found that very cold water works a lot better than room temperature or warm water. This part is optional. If you like a sweeter milk, you can add a couple of pitted dates. Then add the tiniest pinch of salt. Blend your oat milk for 20 seconds only. If you do it any longer, you will have slimy oat milk. Nobody wants that. Use a nut milk bag to filter your milk. A technique that I found that works really well is using a wire mesh strainer. The wire mesh strainer catches the big bits of pulp that can end up in the bag. And if you filter it out first before it goes in the bag, you have less to squeeze out. You can kind of see here where there's a lot of pulp in that wire mesh strainer. That's really helpful when you're trying to squeeze out a lot of milk. Now I want to hear from you. Comment down below and tell me if you've ever made your own plant-based milk. How did it turn out? Right away, you'll see milk leaking out of this bag. Gently squeeze it, and I mean gently squeeze the milk out of that bag. If you press too hard, you will get nasty, slimy milk. Now you know exactly how to make your own oat milk at home. But how do you make other plant-based foods? Check out our other plant-based milk recipe video here. Or if you want to know how to make your own no-bake brownie recipe to go with that glass of milk, click here. Until next time, stay real and stay clean, and I'll see you next time.